Terra Longa, transdisciplinary work, music therapy and physiotherapy, quantitative or qualitative results, neurological rehabilitation. Thank you.
Thank you. Good morning, everyone. My name is Laia Terra. I'm a music therapist in a special educational center in Barcelona. Today, I will present a study exploring the effects of a transdisciplinary intervention combining music therapy and physiotherapy for children with severe multiple disabilities. Okay, why does this matter? Well, as you may know, this kind of children often face profound challenges in motor development, communication, participation in their daily activities. Research has shown that motivation plays a crucial role in motor learning and in rehabilitation outcomes. This is what led us to ask whether a transdisciplinary intervention could improve not only motor performance, but also participation and engagement. So, the aim of this study was to explore the impact of an intervention combining music therapy and physiotherapy. That's why, on one hand, we evaluated quantitative outcomes, such as movement and postural control, and at the same time, qualitative outcomes, such as motivation, participation, and communication. Our study included children aged 2 to 5 years with severe motor impairments, and all the participants received a transdisciplinary intervention based on individualized goals, physiotherapy, active music therapy, adapted instruments, and adapted technology. This intervention lasted 9 months, and all the children received 12 sessions. All the data were collected at 4 time points before the intervention, midway through the process, after intervention, and 3 months follow-up. And also, we used video recordings and an image analysis software to assess progress. Our findings showed improvements in both quantitative and qualitative dimensions. Quantitatively, as you can see here, children demonstrated more intentional movements, better postural control, improved head alignment, and also increased motor responses. Qualitatively, we observed higher levels of communication, participation, and in general, functional engagement. So these improvements were statistically significant with large side effects and benefits maintained over time. In conclusion, children with multiple disabilities can benefit from transdisciplinary personalized interventions that integrate music therapy and physiotherapy. So this approach clearly promotes motor development, active participation, autonomy, and quality of life. So our key message is that the outcomes should not be considered or understood as either quantitative or qualitative. They are both interconnected. Better movement leads to better participation, and together they contribute to a better quality of life. Thank you very much for your attention.
Thank you. And the last one, T. Aumann.